Whenever you hear about meditation, the image that typically comes to your mind looks something like this. What if I tell you that you can meditate while taking a walk, eating food, and even while doing things like washing the dishes and having a tea or coffee? For the hectic days when you don't find time or a quiet place to practice the sitting meditation, turn these simple activities of daily routine into meditation. Hello and welcome to Hope and Healing. My name is Monica and let's talk about this specific type of meditation that is called mindful meditation. Just like the name suggests, in this meditation you simply become mindful of the present moment. You're having a stressful day, work lined up. You neither have the time nor the place to sit down and give your mind a break. Even then, I'm sure you can find some time to have a cup of tea or coffee. Do that. But when you do that, instead of thinking about the work, give your entire attention to that coffee. Don't just mindlessly gulp it down through your throat. Enjoy the fragrance. Notice how it touches your lips and tongue when you sip it. Notice the taste and how it travels down from your mouth to your food pipe. Do that until the last sip. Now let me analyze for you what you just did. During this entire session of mindful coffee drinking, you took a break from your thoughts. You were able to keep your mind away from overthinking about work. You kept your mind focused on only one act. You immersed yourself in the present moment through your senses as much as you could. You just found 2 minutes of peace and personal space. Doesn't all of this sound like meditation? The only difference is your point of focus this time was not the act of breathing, but the act of drinking coffee. And it's not just this one thing. There are many such activities that you do daily, even on the busiest days. Take eating for another example. You eat every day, of course you do. Instead of mindlessly stuffing the food in your mouth, do it mindfully. Bring all your senses on board. Notice the smell. Notice all the colors that you see in the dish you are having. Notice the taste and the texture of the food. Notice the movements of your jaw when you are eating. Be present only in this moment in which you are being blessed with the food. Going for a walk in the park? Make sure to see the trees and flowers on the way. Notice all the sounds, be it the singing of birds or the honking of cars. Feel the gust of winds on your skin. Notice your each step when you walk. Being present, having your mind focused in the moment and not being stuck in the thoughts. If you are able to do that through these simple activities, then they will become like meditation for you. These were some of the examples of how you can practice mindful meditation in day-to-day life. There are many others. You don't need to take extra time for that. You don't need a quiet place to sit down. All you need to do is to become mindful of whatever you are doing at the moment. Do you practice mindful meditation? What is your favorite activity to do that? Comment down below and let me know. If you like the content, then consider hitting the subscribe button and help this channel grow. Thank you very much for stopping by.